So as usual, the usual drill. So before starting the video, I request each one of you to share all the videos to all your classmates, friends, family, those who are in present class 12 or class 11, and those who are taking drop also. A lot of very useful content is posted for them on my channel, so that it will be really helpful for them. So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Sai Charan Malayala. You know that I have started a new series called Entrance Exams. So where I'm giving the glimpses of each and every entrance exam separately in each and every video. So same like that. In this video, I am going to give you the glimpses of one more entrance exam, that is AEEE. AEEE is nothing but Amrita Engineering Entrance Exam. So that is for Amrita University. So if you know Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham, so regarding that this exam is given. So I will explain in detail as we move forward in this video. So if you have any doubts, you can contact me through any of the social media platforms. There is a links in the description, Instagram, Facebook. Okay, if you still have any major doubts, you can also join the Telegram group. There is a link in the description. Go join there. I will be there to help you out at any time. So without taking much time, let's get into the video. AEEE by Sai Charan Malayala, NIT Warangal. I am second year biotechnology student from NIT Warangal. So institutes which offer admission through this entrance exam, AEEE, is Amrita Engineering Entrance Exam, Amrita University Chennai, Amrita University Bangalore, Amritapuri Coimbatore, which is so this university is also called as Amrita Vishwa Vidyapeetham. Okay, the eligibility criteria for this AEEE examination is, so this is also a prestigious entrance exam for a prestigious engineering institute. So you can check about that college, that university in the Google. You can find it as a very prestigious institute for engineering in India. Okay, eligibility criteria, age limit is there. So should pass 10+2 in PCM stream. PCM means physics, chemistry, mathematics stream. Okay, 60% total aggregate is required. So means out of 1000 marks in your +2, so that is intermediate, so you need at least 600 in total. Okay, so minimum 55% in individual subjects. So like in physics you should cross 55%, in chemistry you should cross 55%, in maths you should cross 55%. So overall in all the mix, so you should cross 60% in total. Okay, so that is the eligibility criteria for getting admission into Amrita University. So maths 40 questions, physics 30 questions, chemistry 30 questions. So 100 questions total objective. So time limit is 2 hours 30 minutes, 2.5 hours. Maximum marks is 300, means that is each question you will be having 3 marks. Okay, correct answer 3 marks, negative marking is there, that is -1. Pen and paper mode or online mode, it is totally based on your wish. So based on the centers nearby, you can apply to pen and paper mode also. Okay, so application process, so apply through official portal and also through post. You can also apply through post also and also through online, that is from official website. So fee is 1000 rupees per head. Registration usually starts between December to January. Now it is not started yet. So once it started, I will inform you about that. So I will also give a website link in the description. You go and check there. So regularly. So when it opens, you can apply. So exam date will be usually falls between April or May. Okay. Application process through JEE. So you can also apply through JEE. So apply online through official portal and also through post. So fee will be 300. Okay. So registration December to January, no exam, so direct counseling will be there, totally based on your JEE mains process. So if you remember in my JEE video, so I said some private colleges also take admission through JEE score. So that is example. So this is the one which accepts JEE mains score for taking into the college. So if you want to apply through both JEE and exam type, so that is fees is also 1000 rupees. Okay. So what next? So what after this application process? So everything will be notified, subscribe. So that is a simple thing you should do. So if you want to know each and every update regarding all these entrance exams, just you need to subscribe and press the bell icon and turn it into all notifications, so that whenever I upload a content regarding any other, so regarding anything, so you will be notified through that notification, so that it will be helpful to you. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.